Kia ora no. This time we're looking at rātou. Rātou is a plural personal pronoun. Okay, we use rātou when we are introducing three or more people. For example, ko mere rātou, ko mere ana, ko kimi ora, aku tuahine. Or, we could say, ko hemi rātou, ko mikaere, ko wirimu o ku hoa. Okay, when we're using rātou, we use it at the beginning or after the first person's name, and we only use it once, or we could use it just before the last person's name. Like for example, so if we're going to say ko hemi rātou, and then we list the other people's names. Or we could say ko hemi, ko wiki rātou, ko kingi. And we use this word oku or aku to kana. Tuakana is older sibling of the same sex. Tuakana. So it can be transferable. Either tuakana for your older sisters if you're a girl, tuakana for older brothers if you're a boy. So, the word rātou, they, is what it means. Or it could also mean meaning these are my brothers. Hemi, Wiki and Kingi are my brothers. In this situation, older brothers. Kia ora.